you missed the moment. Sorry, vlog. You'll get your asses here soon.
Yeah,
You guys.
So it is today. We're off to Science Royalty headquarters. We have establishments all throughout Perth. If you want some merch, come here.
Doing dinner.
That's not going on the vlog. Got to make sure the kids are packed.
Make sure it clicks, guys. Yeah. Do we need separate audio for that click?
Classic stitch up.
Here's Jay. Hello. Oh wait, what? Everyone's so like
We out here.
We out here.
We're out here in an elevator.
We up here. We down here. Going up there.
How do you get the roof dirty?
How do you get your roof dirty? Just arrived back and Ashan from Earwings has sent us some new watches to check out. Oh, these are the new Horizons ones, guys.
Really minimalistic, but they look nice as.
So shout out to Ashan for hooking us up with these. We're going to try them out now.
We're off to shoot an Evo shortly. As you might know, it's tuned. It's probably seen it around a few car mates. We're also doing a product shoot, which Jack and Taylor has kindly offered to help us out with and model our products.
Okay, we're finally out of the apartment. We're going to be late again, but...
Hey, how late are we? Alright guys, shoot's done. I did it. Let's go.
Alright guys, we've just pulled into a spot. We found the gate has been broken into.
Wasn't us, promise. Look at that. Lady banana.
Never thought this would have been in Perth.
Mate, making waves.
We'll start seeing you have a scout around as well.
So now that we've arrived, we've realised that there's a lot of glass and stuff. Oh, it just broke! My broom. We've got Jackie upstairs in position, up here. Jared down there. Just setting it up. So we're finished here at the abandoned factory. We've got some rolling shots down the road too. Now we are off to the city to do more rolling shots, and then that's our Saturday done.
This Evo, one of my favorite Evos in Perth.
Reaction.
No comment.
Try hang around us, Tyson.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still red. RAV4!
Oh, RAV4! That is f***ing nice!
We just arrived here at Elizabeth Quay, finishing up. We're just doing a few more quick shots here. Word. Hey Jack. Hey. You look so happy. Oh, down at the rubbish. Always pick up the rubbish, guys. Keep the city clean. We out here.
Like, honestly, I reckon the Titanic has a bit to it.
So what we're doing now is we're going to head into the city. Me and Jake are going to jump out, get some rolling shots. Oh, I would not ever get sick of that. Tyson's just dropped us off and we're still waiting here in the city. What we want is him to be at the red light. So what we're going to do is we're going to push this button and hopefully it makes the light red by the time he pulls up here so we can get people and the car. But nothing ever goes to plan, so we'll see. Do you want to close off the vlog?
It's Tyson signing out. I'm the best person in the world.
That's my say.
Good day today, a lot of footage. I say that every time, I can't believe that.
Big thanks to these fellas for helping us out with our product shoot.
Find their Instagram links right there. Find Tyson's link on Instagram too.
Right, here.
Oh, you want it there? Or there?
You want it there?
Oh, and Jarrah, thanks Jarrah. Stay royal!